At AIMExpo 2025, we're going to show you some of our products that we have on display here. We're showcasing some of our products and technology, so I'll talk about that real quick. We're going to focus on some of our motorcycle applications. Main thing I want to talk about is our REVOLT voltage regulator rectifier. So this is our own technology, our own regulator type. We have designed this in-house. It's produced in North America, lifetime warranty, CNC machined housing, so it looks really sharp. It is in a universal package. It'll fit to replace many voltage regulators on the market, and it uses a standardized connector type, so it's a really nice plug-and-play application. Like I said, lifetime warranty. It runs 50% cooler than most OEM regulators, so you can see on the chart right here just a quick description of temperature differentials. So you can find more info on our website and our YouTube channel that really goes into detail on the improvements here. Another thing that I want to talk about related to motorcycles is our bypass regulator technology. So what we've done is we take our voltage regulators that we package again in our CNC housings that are for optimal cooling. We connect directly to the factory stator connector for a really easy plug and play install. But what we do that differs from the original system is we go straight to the battery terminals with the output of the voltage regulator. This can bypass up to 6 feet of wire on the vehicle and 2 or 3 connections. So I've seen many motorcycles pick up over a volt at idle just using this type of voltage regulator. So really nice upgrade. This is a good example of our flywheels. This is for the 07 era Yamaha R1. These had lots of problems with magnets coming loose inside the flywheel and contacting the stator. All of our flywheels are capped, so we use a marine grade epoxy to secure the magnet to the flywheel, but then we cap them with a stainless steel shield to protect them. So they never come loose, and if they ever did, they could never contact the stator. We also package them with the rubbers and all the other pieces needed for a complete install. Another example, this is from our Aprilia RSV4 and Tuono 1000. This is a solution, we call it a solution kit to solve charging system reliability issues with those older bikes. They had much too powerful of a charging system and had many failures of the stator. We use a thinner stator core, so we cut the power output just a little bit for stator reliability. And then we also package it with one of our bypass regulators that lets you get a direct connection back to the battery. So you get a real reliable charging system on a bike that had lots of problems. Otherwise, we have some of our other stators on display for side-by-sides. This is an example of our REVOLT regulator versus an original Polaris regulator for the Polaris Razor 1000 setup. And I know you can't tell for sure here, but we have these heated to really feel the difference in temperature with our parts versus an original. So we're able to not only produce more power with our special, we call it a split system. It's a dual output stator. You can think of it like 2 stators on 1 core. We split the power output between 2 voltage regulators and then back to the battery. It's all plug and play, comes with harnesses, everything you need to install. So not only can you increase power output by 250 watts, but you solve regulator and stator reliability problems. So that's on the side-by-side side of things, but it's a great example of the type of innovation that we put into our product.